time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that came out of an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use that coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Oh boy. This is Sakurai Foods and their genuine ramen. Yeah. So it's genuinely ramen. Is it miso? Is it shoyu, Ramen Raider guy? I don't know. That's all I know is that it's genuine ramen. So here we go. You're ready. You go here. And that, my friends, is Pepper, the Wonder Dog, squeaking her, we call it her baby. She's very happy about being a dog today. And there she is, doing her dog thing. Pepper! Pepper! And my dog. No. She's a nut. That's for certain. A constant distraction in the world of trying to get things done, that's for sure. So, what's going on? Yeah, kids are 3 hours of schooling away from being home for summer break. We're going to do a bunch of walking. What else was I going to talk about today? I don't know. Politics, don't really need to tell you much about that you don't already know. God, I wonder what's going on in the universe in your time, though. I think this episode will come out, late September? Are we already into October on the show? I don't know. But it's, the train keeps a rolling, folks. It really does. And it keeps wanting to be sunny and cloudy. It's like our weather is kind of confused right now before it just really leaps into hardcore summertime. Yeah. It's weird transitioning from doing, I've been trying to do 10 miles a day. That is really difficult. Especially now, I've got to, be realistic. Maybe 10,000 steps a day. That's 5 miles a day. I think that's reasonable. I think I can sustain that. Yeah. But that's like garbage. I don't know. Not to say that people who are trying to walk and have troubles and can't do that are being bad or anything, but I don't know. Personally, I had one day last month. In May, I did 505 miles, and I did 1,060,000 steps. It's a lot. It was a lot. I even got hell from my wife for it because it wasn't like you're going to hurt yourself. It was like, I don't see you. So I had to kind of I was like, once the month is over, I'm going to mellow out a bit. And I did. And I really miss walking. But it's nice to be home more often. It takes a lot of time. The walking does take a lot of time. And this is a big bowl of ramen. Check this out. Yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, I don't know if you've seen it. I got this series of diet videos called the Ramen Raider diet. The last one is how I lost 56 pounds in 92 days. Got a guy on there that's just like, sir, you're a liar. I'm telling you, you're a liar. I don't believe you. That's fine. It's true, though. And instead of doing some kind of pay me money for me to tell you my secret, that's within the first 30 seconds in the video, I try to say what the deal is. And literally the deal is diet and exercise. That's it. And a lot of caffeine. Yeah. That can't be healthy. I don't know. Losing 56 pounds is pretty healthy. My doctor seems absolutely ecstatic with me right now. Here's the noodle. Okay. Noodle's good. That's enough. The children have been really working hard on finding the most irritating tones to make. Wow, this is pretty neat. The broth has a nice little bit of oiliness to it, and the sesame seeds come with it, internal to the dry sachet. I wonder if genuine they mean by original. It's very light flavor. It's good. Definitely not my favorite. Very, I'd almost call it bland, but it's just light. Oh boy. Are we gonna get in trouble for being too noisy? No? Okay, good. I like that. I like that answer. Nah, we're not gonna get in trouble for being too noisy. Well. Our noodle and broth. Now. Yeah, I went and I got Narutomaki and I got all the fish cake, got everything. I am like super set. My wife was kind enough to do some soft boiled eggs last night. Thank you very much to the most beautiful woman in the universe. Indeed. That's enough of that. And speaking of softies, time to see no, really, shush. No crazy noises right now. I'm working. Being good will affect the rest of your day. Alright, that's a nice sized little bugger. Plug this in. Those look happy enough. Go to your room. Please. Go to your room. Thank you. They don't really mind going to their room. They can just hang out and make noise in there. What's horrifying is when they make so much noise in there that it's still noisy out here. That's no bueno. I'm gonna tell you right now. All right, so there's that. One moment. Go to your room. Thank you. Now. Hey. They certainly don't like to listen, folks, and I don't know why. We give them all the nice things. They always want more, but I think I always did when I was a kid. Give me more stuff and things. That makes me happy. Just a little bit more of that. Oh, I was going to throw one of those in there. Do I really need to? I don't know. I got Narutomaki. Pepper. I don't know what it is, but lots of noise drives me nuts. I cannot wait till we are -1 on the dog scale. You hear me, Pepper? Pepper, that's enough. You need to go in the crate. Crate. She's good on listening on that part of things, but let's add some. I even got a new thing of sesame seed. Think of that, Pepper. So yeah, you told me to go in the crate. It already had sesame seed. I guess that was kind of unnecessary add-in, but what the heck? Oh, I gotta remember the next one. I gotta go out to the garden. I've got to go to my garden. Next one's gonna be rad. This was pretty good. Yeah, it came out of a new my crate. Imagine that, eh? Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, if you want to get one, of those Umai crates, go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. But you won't find this on there. And I think right now you're only gonna find it in Malaysia for now. But this is my Kuali Penang Black Curry, and it might not be the next episode that you see actually, because I might be putting this out a little quicker. But yeah, it looks like the noodles are black. It should be interesting. There's a lot of that. People like making black noodles now. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.